This is Gynecology Online Maths and Science. Uh, we want to use the trig identity to solve another baffling questions. Let me just write the question. So show that sine raised to the power 4x minus cos raised to the power 4x on sine square x minus cos square x. We have to show that this is equal to 1. Now, anytime we have an exponent to the power of 4, now we have a way of dealing with them. Now, we'll convert it so that it will have an exponent of 2. Because if I have 2 here, 2 into bracket squared is the same thing as 4. Okay, 4 will be changed to 2 into bracket raise the power 2 to give me the same answer. So if that is the case, then I will rewrite the numerator again as sine square x. Okay, very good. Raise the power 2 minus cos square x, or raise the power 2 on sine square x minus cos square x. That is very good. What we just did was that anytime we just want the 4, we will just multiply the exponent. That is 2 times 2 will give us 4. Now, back to the same concept that we have over here. Now, anytime we have a question like this, now we just recall what we just call difference of two square. Difference of two square. When x is squared, y is also squared. Now this one will give us x plus y and then x minus y. Good. So difference of two square. So we have to apply difference of two square on the numerator. Okay. So we'll be having sine square x plus cos square x in another bracket like this. And another bracket will be sine square x minus cos square x. Okay, good. So difference of two square, you have to apply difference of two square at the numerator, and then this is what we are having. Difference of two square, we normally have two different brackets, and then the first bracket will be positive, and then the second bracket will be negative. So the first bracket we have x sine square x plus cos square x in the first bracket. Now in the second bracket, now we have to write the same thing, but this time around the sign will change to minus instead of plus. Good. So now what do we have here? We have sine square x minus cos square x. Good. So back to the main business. The main business is that we should show that sine raised to the power 4x minus cos raised to the power 4x on sine square x minus cos square x is 1. So that is our main target. We are getting 1 at the left hand side and then 1 at the right hand side. The question was show that. So that's what we are about. Now, the first bracket is saying that sine square x plus cos square x. Now, if we remember our identities very well, our identity says that sine square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Good. So now we'll be having 1. This whole thing changes to 1. So 1 times sine square x minus cos square x. Okay, very good. This is on sine square x minus cos square x. And remember our agenda. Our agenda is that the left hand side should be equal to the right hand side. And then the right hand side is 1. So we are working towards that direction. That is perfect. Now, 1 times anything will give me that same thing. So 1 times what is in the bracket will give me sine square x minus cos square x. This is on sine square x minus cos square x. And this will give us 1. Okay. So looking at it, the terms that I have on the numerator is the same as the term I have as the denominator. Therefore, they will cancel out. It's like you having 2x minus 1 on 2x minus 1. Since they are the same thing, they will cancel and give us 1. Okay, so this whole thing here and then what we are having here, they look the same. Therefore, this will cancel this, giving me 1, and then my right hand side too is 1. So we have proved. So the question there has been proven. Show that sine raised to the power 4x minus cos raised to the power 4x on sine square x minus cos square x is equal to 1. So that is what we've just illustrated. And make sure you share it to your friends in order for them to also be blessed. Now, this is Gatology Online Maths and Science, solidly behind you all. Bye bye.